Assalamualaikum. I am back with another wonderful tutorial. Today's design is not only beautiful but also unique. This versatile pattern can be used for both plazzos and pleats. So let's begin. First, we will cut a long piece of fabric to create a triangle. The fabric should be 15-inch long and 4-inch wide. I have added pasting paper underneath the cloth for better structure. Next, I will draw a straight line right down and middle of the fabric. This mark will guide us in creating the fabric triangle. Using scissors, I will carefully cut along the marked line on both sides, just like this. After cutting, fold the fabric in the opposite direction to form a triangle shape. Repeat this process to ensure the triangle is symmetrical. Now I have taken a piece of net lace to attach the triangle pattern. Secure the triangle pattern to the lace like this. Next, take another 15-inch long fabric and pasting paper underneath in the same way and cut it into a triangle. Fold this second piece into a triangle shape just like before. Measure it against the previously made pattern and attach it to the lace. Leaving a little space between the triangle. Make sure to use net or organza fabric for the lace to maintain the delicate look of the design. And there you have it. The design is beautifully finished and ready to use. If you enjoy this tutorial, please like, comment and share for more beautiful and unique design. Your support means so much to me and I truly appreciate you staying with me for this tutorial. Thank you and stay well. Allah Hafiz.